Alright guys, so we got we passed up a $5.50 order from Dash, and now it's $6.50 more. We're gonna go to KFC and bring it somewhere around here by the house. I already looked at it, so like I said, sometimes it's good to pass up orders because they'll bring it back to you for more.
Right, today is Monday.
Today's Monday, August 29th. It's a new week, okay? New week, new video.
Lego.
Alright guys, we just got to KFC. We were picking up our first order of the night. And this is our first time at KFC. So let's see how long it takes for him. I'm gonna do like a little circle. Alright. We just got the order.
But they going wild in there.
What? These people are going crazy out here.
Yeah.
Alright, close the door so we can get out of here.
Give me a second so I can see what direction we're going. Give me 5 seconds. Let's see what. Alright, we need to go to 280th Street. Alright guys, we should be we got 5 miles for $6. We should be there in 12 minutes. See you when we get there.
Alright guys, so we just got to the address. The customer has requested a contactless delivery. They want him to leave it at the door. He got to climb some stairs. He got to work out today. I finished my lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop. Oh, baby, drink. That's why we got 2 cents fries, boy. I forgot. We don't normally get drinks, so it's easy for us to forget to take it. Because it's not very common that we get drinks.
I'll be forgetting. That's why I bring her along. All right, guys. So $6. $6, no customer tip. Cheap bastard. Let's see what we get next. First order, first day of the first week we're doing it. All right guys, we're going to this high pay order. We passed down like 5 orders, man. They were going far. This is $7 plus 3.1 miles accept. And Chili's, here we come. I don't understand. They had us trying to go for like $7.50, 10 miles. It's weird. And the rest of them were like no tips, $3.25, $4. See, yeah, Chili's.
All right, guys. So we just got to Chili's Bar and Grill. I'm in parking number 3. But Joel no longer waits for them to come out. He goes inside because a lot of times he says that they have the food already just sitting there waiting, and they don't come out. So let's see how long it takes for him to get this order and how long it takes to get to the address. I'll be back. All right, so he's got the order.
Daryl D.
Daryl D.
Daryl, God, I smell them onions.
Ooh,
Holy moly.
Ooh. My car's gonna smell like that. Hey, hurry up.
Go for a pick up. All right, we're going to gate code. Directions.
Head south towards southwest
Going
312th Street, Northeast 8th Street.
Aloysius area. Let go. So we got the $7 plus. See you in a little bit.
Alright, so we just got to the address. The customer has requested that he hand them the order. I have to text her back. He's gonna ring the bell. Alright, no, he's coming back. Sorry.
Good loud, $10 tip, player.
He rocks. Can I U-turn out of here like this?
3 miles, 16 minutes. DoorDash paid $3, customer tip $10. So that order went from $7 to $13, almost double. Boy, I love them plus signs. Boy, you see the plus sign, you better grab it, boy.
You better grab them plus signs, boy. Just pulled back into our spot, and Chipotle gave an order for $6.25, and I don't remember if he told me where it's going. Yeah, one brain. I don't remember if he did. I could just say he didn't. We'll see where it's going, how long it's gonna take for him to grab this order, and how long it'll take us to get there. All right, so we just got the order. I'm not paying attention because I'm paying attention to the cars. Oy.
All right, guys. So
In 500 feet, turn right onto
going
Southwest
3.2 miles for
312th
$6.50
Street.
from Chipotle. A lot of cars right now. People getting off of work.
Come on,
See when we get there.
Just got to the address, which is a business, it looks like. Because the address is not so much, it's not very visible, but we're assuming this is it. We're gonna find out. The only instruction was to hand the order to the customer. Oh, there he is. Alright, he's coming. Am I sticking out? Is it here honk at me?
Oh, there's nobody behind you.
Okay,
All right, so DoorDash paid $3.25. Customer tip $3 for a total of $6.25.
get out of here.
Go straight. All right, guys. On to the next one. All right, guys, we're going to get a $5 Wendy's order for 2.6 miles.
Yes.
Yeah, it was sitting there ready.
And it was a drink, one drink.
Yeah.
Oh.
Confirm pickup. We have 1.7 miles to go. It will be there in 6 minutes.
Head north toward Northeast 9th Street.
See when we get there.
All right. All right, he's on his way. The apartments are right there. He's just running. He's exercising. Oh, I goes back. I must have been like right there. Another lollipop.
All right, go forward.
Yes, sir.
So,
Oh my god, this shirt scared me.
Dash paid $5. Customer didn't tip anything. We got a Menchie's, frozen yogurt,
That's our house.
$6.50, 4.8 miles. We'll just grab it. I'm trying to hit $50 today, so I'm gonna grab this. See when we get there.
Reversed because this area sucks. Parking forward, people will not let you out. So you can't see the Menchie's very well, but it's back there. Oh, he's coming. Oh, she dropped some. And Joel just went right by her. He's the thug.
Alright.
Ooh.
Alright, guys, we got a $6.50 Menchie's. First time at Menchie's. Ice cream and stuff.
Frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt. Let's get it. Alright, guys, so I put the frozen yogurt in here. In my DoorDash bag that I got in the mail.
It's like a thermal bag.
Yeah, it keeps stuff cold and it keeps stuff hot. If it's hot, it keeps it hot. If it's cold, it keeps it cold. Ooh.
Here, the customer has asked us to give them the order. We're in a circle. This place is very difficult to, not difficult, but there's a lot of circles in here.
Yeah, it was cold, babe. When I took it out, you could feel like the coolness and stuff.
Come on, we got you.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna have to extend our dash because I want to get to 50 bucks. So $4.50 base pay, $2 customer tip for total $6.50. We're at $36.75. I'm gonna hit the button to extend dash. No available slots to extend. I'll just start it again when it ends.